I gotta leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best.
Hey beautiful people, it's Honestine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another hotel room tour and I'm at the Ocean Eden Bay Resort in Trelawny. If you guys had watched my previous videos, I have been to this property before. I stayed at the Ocean Coral Spring sides, which is the family side, and I enjoyed my stay there. So I'm back again and I'm on the adults only side, which is the Eden Bay side. So super excited. So we booked the junior suite swim up room. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below if you have any questions. Just comment anything that you'd like, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys. Thank you to all my new subscribers as well, and I hope you guys enjoy this lovely room tour.
I give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me, 'cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me, 'cause I'm next to none. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me, 'cause you're old to die. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat.
So guys, like I mentioned earlier, we're in the junior suite swim up. So this room is totally different from the one that I stayed at the Coral Springs side. I was in the rooftop suite, so this room is totally different. However, I'm in love with this room. As you can see, it comes with the regular amenities, a coffee maker, water safe, and a mini fridge. The mini fridge is also stocked daily, so happy about that. And of course, adjacent to that, you have the bathroom. The bathroom is the same setup as those rooftop suites that I stayed in.
Yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me.
So for the features of the bathroom, it comes with a double sink, a toiletries, a scale, a blow dryer, a tub of course, and also a walk-in shower. No guys, remember I said I love this room? No, I can't recall being at the hotel and there were artwork or paintings in the bathroom area, in the toilet area. There's literally two beautiful paintings that I just showed you guys in that area. So beautiful, it just adds character, and just everything about the room is so aesthetics. I'm really loving the design of the blue and white. I don't know, it's just giving kind of Spanish or Greece, is that right? I don't know, but yeah, I'm loving it, loving the bathroom. Now guys, I know you guys have seen this over the internet when it comes on to the finishing of this property, and if specifically in the rooms as well, you can see, you know, extra paintings and stuff like that. I do see that, but however, those are minor and those are not a bother at all, because regardless, the room is still beautiful. this room, it comes with a king bed and a television, a sofa, and seating area. Guys, do not mind how the pillows are looking right now. I was already in the bed before I started videoing, and not to mention it comes with a nice cute round table, and we also got some complimentary dessert that was very nice. So overall the room is perfect. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video until we get outside to the swim up. A beautiful view, right? Well, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so if you wish. Give a video a thumbs up and also make a comment, and thank you guys again for watching. Bye.